Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is volt. Volt is today's daily cipher word. As always, we line up the letters V, A, U, L, T and we find the corresponding Morse codes. So we start with V. V is here, tap tap tap, long press, tap tap tap, long press. Then A is here, it's tap, long press. A is tap, long press. Then U is here, tap tap, long press. U is tap tap, long press. Then L is here, it's tap, long press, tap tap. L is tap, long press, tap tap. Then T is here, it's a long press. Now let us get the phone and we put in this Morse code. So as always, click on the second item from the left, Daily Cipher, and then let us put in these Morse codes. So we start with V, which is tap tap tap, long press, that's V. Then A, tap, long press. Then U, tap tap, long press. Then L, tap, long press, tap tap. Then T, long press, and the word is volt. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.